Hello, dear students, it's me Shakil Khan. Students, in today's video, you're going to learn past indefinite tense in passive voice. This passive voice is not from English to English, this passive voice is from Urdu to English. So, first of all, let's see how to define passive voice. So, the definition of passive voice is when the action expressed by the verb is received by the subject, it is passive voice. Passive voice is used when the doer of the action is not known and the focus of the sentence is on the action, not on the subject. स्टूडेंट्स, आज की क्लास में आप सीखेंगे पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस का पैसिव वॉइस में इस्तेमाल, उर्दू से इंग्लिश में पैसिव वॉइस। सबसे पहले आइए जानते हैं पैसिव वॉइस की डेफिनेशन। जब फ़ैल के ज़रिए ज़ाहिर किया गया अमल मज़मून के ज़रिए मौसूल होता है तो ये गैर फ़आल आवाज़ यानी पैसिव वॉइस है। गैर फ़आल आवाज़ यानी पैसिव वॉइस उस वक्त कहलाती है जब अमल करने वाला मालूम न हो और जुमले का फोकस अमल पर हो ना कि मौजू पर। आइए नज़र डालते हैं इसके फार्मूला, इसकी पहचान पर और देखते हैं कि इसके जुमले किस तरीके से बनाए जाते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट the formula of past indefinite passive voice, its identification in Urdu, and how to make sentences by using this formula. The formula for past indefinite tense in passive voice is object plus was slash were plus verb third form plus by plus noun or pronoun. Its identification in Urdu is अगर उर्दू के किसी भी जुमले के आखिर में अलिफ छोटी ये और बड़ी ये आए और जुमला माजी करीब का हो या माजी बईद का हो, उसके लिए हम इंग्लिश में पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस इस्तेमाल करते हैं। The first sentence which I have for this tense, that is मुझे उस पार्टी में मदऊ किया गया था। I was invited in that party. I was not invited in that party. Was I invited in that party? उसे PIA में बतौर ऑफिसर इंचार्ज अपॉइंट किया गया था। He was appointed as an officer in charge in PIA. He was not appointed as an officer in charge in PIA. Was he appointed as an officer in charge in PIA? Students, one thing which is very important to remember, that how to make sentences as negative and interrogative. So, for the negative sentences, just put not after was or were. And for the interrogative sentences, just put was or were before the object, as I did in the first two sentences. So this is the way to make sentences as negative and interrogative. ये घर उनके ज़रिए ख़रीदा गया था। This house was bought by them. हमारे ज़रिए सारे आम खाए गए। All the mangoes were eaten by us. क्या पाकिस्तानी टीम के ज़रिए क्रिकेट मैच जीत लिया गया? Was the cricket match won by पाकिस्तानी टीम? क्या आपको उस जंग में शिकस्त दे दी गई? Were you defeated in that battle? क्या आरिफ को वहाँ बुलाया गया था? Was आरिफ called there? हमें स्कूल में अंग्रेज़ी नहीं सिखाई गई थी. English was not taught to us in the school. ये गाना उसके ज़रिए नहीं गाया गया था. This song was not sung by him. तमाम किताबें उनके लिए नहीं लाई गई थीं. All the books were not brought for them. Students, it was all about the use of past indefinite tense in passive voice. I hope this tense will increase your knowledge and your English would be better than before. So keep on learning English with Indus English. Let's see in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.